It's Tyler Dawe with Remax Escarpment here with a monthly market update for Erin for August 2021. Now you know you guys are chomping at the bit to get some numbers here because we don't see Erin numbers come out online very often, but I've got them for you. So if you're chomping at the bit, here they are. The average sale price for Erin and the surrounding area came in at $1,439,000 compared to last month in July, which was sitting at $1,229,000. That shows us an increase on a month-to-month of 17% based on averages. However, we know that that's a little ambitious even though it is a crazy hot, fiery market. 17% a month isn't very likely. What happened in August is we're seeing more higher priced country homes sell, and that's why the averages are jumping so much based on July when we saw some lower end homes sell. So it shows us based on averages that it's a 17% increase and a year-to-year increase of 36%, and both of those are extremely ambitious. So I'm here to make it real and get down to business. We are looking at other areas to help us justify our price points. One thing we like to do is go south, and we like to hit the Halton Hills area. We know that the Halton Hills area has gone up 0.6%. And then we're going to look west in the Guelph and Wellington area, and we know that that area has gone up on a month-to-month basis of about 4%. So if you're sitting in Erin, you're going to notice you're about 0.5% increase from June to August, or a little bit higher, maybe at a 0.6, 0.7. The market in August was a little bit more flat and we hadn't seen as much competition. The highest home that sold in Erin last month was $3,500,000, which is an awesome number for something out in the country. I hope you guys with country homes are listening to this one. Let's continue going. We're seeing our new listing count at 13. Last month we were at 18, which means that we're seeing a decrease in our listings of 27%. Our month supply sits just under 1 month at 0.7. Now, what does that mean for you guys? Okay, month supply means whether it's a seller's market or a buyer's market, and that's why it's determined on the month's supply. So if we have 1 month to 3 months, that means it's a seller's market. In fact, it's a strong seller's market if you have less than a month worth of inventory. All right, a mid-market is 5 to 6 months, which is balanced. And then a buyer's market is 6+. So right now we're in a seller's market. The market is not going down based on my numbers here. Our number of sales for last month was 167, and based on the previous month it was 153. So sales are down 8%, inventory is down 25%. Our average days on market are sitting at about 10, right? They're a little bit longer depending on the price point. And when we look at our home price index for the region, we're seeing on a month-to-month basis 0.3%. However, when we look at the Acton area, when we look at the Guelph area, we're seeing 17 to 19% year over year. So for you guys out there, my light went out, that's okay. So for you guys out there that are looking at year over year costs, from this time last year, your home price has increased 17 to 19%. It's absolutely huge, okay? So if you guys had any thoughts of selling in the near future and you want a knowledge broker for your area, give me a shout. I'd love to give you some advice. I'd love to list your home. And if you're not even sure you want to list, at least you have some free advice from somebody who knows the market. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next month.